Today we talk about menu changes, about several menus like menu 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then they all are different menus. So we have to change each one of them if it is required. We go to main menu and go to menu edit. The first menu is menu 1. Here we can see, and then it's menu 2. It's blank. Menu 3, 4, 5, 6. They all are blank. So we create a button on menu number 2. Menu number 2, we entering like first like chips. It's a button categories. Is chips. We call as chip press. Chips press. Save edit. We select number 1. First ball. Sorry. Select 1. Button 1. Chips press. Chips press. Save. So the button being created. Button number 1. Let's go out, have a look. So here's come menu number 2. Got chips. I exit current order first. So remove these chips. So here's no dishes being created for chips. Only one button. There's no dish inside the button. So menu 3 is empty. Menu 2 got chips. Menu 1 got menus on it. So let's do something onto the chips. Go to menu edit. Menu number 2. And here comes number 1. Chips. We put the chips. Here's 1 pound. And then when you finish this, you need to select chips, and then save. And then here we come. We create 1 dishes. Then we create another one. Dish number 2. Then we put the chips. Press egg. This is breakfast chips. Press egg. Chips. Press egg. Here we come. We put about 3 pound. Then we put the chips in there. Save. Here's number 2. And then we put a number 3. Chips. Pressed egg. And press sausage. SEAGU. I just put a short. It means chips and the sausages. So Chinese, I just key in the same details for Chinese, and they put price as 6 pounds and put it on chips and save it. So that's done. So these things will be added to menu number 2. Let's go out, have a look. Cancel and cancel. We go to menu number 2. It's here's number 1. Here's menu number 2. Chips. We just added. Number 1, chips. Number 2, chips and egg. Number 3, chips, egg and sausage. Chips and chips, egg, chips, egg, sausage. So here's comes total 6 menus. We can do menu changes as many as you want it. Thank you.